Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at a product that is often overlooked until it is too late, the SafeRest waterproof king-size mattress protector. We all spend a third of our lives in bed, yet many of us leave our expensive mattresses completely exposed to spills, allergens, and the natural wear and tear of daily life. When you first unbox this protector, the first thing you notice is the texture. The sleep surface is made of an 80% cotton and 20% polyester terry cloth blend. This is a massive win for comfort because it feels like a standard fitted sheet rather than a crinkly plastic cover. The underside features a 100% polyurethane laminate, which is the secret sauce here. It acts as an impenetrable barrier against fluids, urine, and perspiration, while still allowing air to pass through. One of the biggest complaints with older style protectors is the noise. Some protectors sound like you are sleeping on a bag of potato chips every time you shift your weight. I am happy to report that this model is remarkably quiet and breathable. You really do not notice that it is there, which is exactly how it should be. The design is also well thought out. The skirt is made of durable 100% polyester with stretchable pockets that fit snugly around your king-size mattress. It stays in place well, even if you are a restless sleeper. Beyond just fluid protection, this cover serves as a barrier against unwanted creatures, making it a must-have for anyone moving into a new apartment or setting up an Airbnb for guests. Let us talk about the pros and cons. The primary advantage is the peace of mind. Knowing that a spill will not ruin a $1,000 mattress is worth the price of admission alone. It is also incredibly easy to maintain. When you need to clean it, you simply throw it in the machine on a cold cycle and tumble dry it. It holds up well over multiple washes without the waterproof backing losing its integrity. On the downside, because it is waterproof, the backing is inherently less breathable than your bare mattress. If you are a very hot sleeper, you might notice a slight difference in heat retention compared to sleeping directly on your mattress, though this is a trade-off you will find with almost every waterproof cover on the market. Additionally, make sure you check your mattress depth, as the fit is snug. Overall, the SafeRest mattress protector is an essential household item that hits the perfect balance between protection, comfort, and ease of maintenance. It is a small investment that extends the lifespan of your mattress by years. If you are looking to protect your bedding investment, this is the one to get. Link in the description.